Welcome back. Liquor worth 45,000 rupees was seized at the Patradevi checkpost on Friday midnight. Police found suspicion while investigation at the checkpost and checked the truck. The liquor boxes were covered under the fertilizer boxes. Dilip Mahadi has been arrested by the police. He informed that he was travelling from Maharashtra.
fertilizer भितर आसले fertilizerच्या भितर एक बॉक्स आसली ती बॉक्सा तो मातसो सब इन्स्पेक्टरान ताका विचारना बरोबर मातसो गडबडलो मातसो डावट येयलो म्हणून ती गाडी उसयली आनी गाडी उसयल्या बरोबर ती चॅकिंग केली पयली fertilizerची बॉक्स आसली ती मातशी सायडीक काडली थोडी भायर काडली आनी भितर पळयता जाल्यार मागीर ती थोडी ही सोऱ्याची बॉक्सां मेळ्ळी ती काडल्या उपरांत त्या ड्रायव्हराक विचारलें हे खंय व्हरतलो तो म्हणून हांवें महाराष्ट्रान व्हरतलो पुणे
आणि कितल्या लाखाचो सोरो आसा
अदमासो 40-45 हजाराचो आसतलो सोरो
आणि आता फुडें एक्शन कितें
फुडें एक्शन करून हेच्या एक्सायज एक्टा प्रमाणे फुडें तेचेर एक्शन जातली
आणि आता तुमच्या ताब्यान कोण आसा मग
ताब्यान आहा तो दिलीप महाडी ड्रायव्हर प्लस द ओनर ऑफ द टँकर म्हणजे गाडयेचो ओनर आहा तो.
A report of Vinod Mehtar for Prudent Media.
Kurchare municipality inspected GSUDA market on Saturday and sealed all the illegal shops. These shops were encroached on by the shopkeepers and vegetable vendors to store their goods illegally. The municipality has given an 8-day deadline to the vendors to claim their goods with legal clarification.
This is the Jisuda market in Kurchare. 5 years back, some shops were rehabilitated following construction of the market. Later, shopkeepers were allotted shops in the market. Few shops were left vacant, but the vacant shops were illegally encroached by some shopkeepers. They stored their excess goods in these shops without attaining permission from the municipality. On Saturday, the chairperson, chief officer along with the councillors of Kurchare municipality inspected the Jisuda market and sealed all illegally encroached shops.
आज आम्ही तो सुद्धा मार्केटीन विजिट दिल्ली तो जायती lock been gailali which is not occupied by the municipality, which we were not aware also. So we have sealed all of those which are not given, and also the vegetable vendors, we have told them to sit on the platform whichever is given to them. Otherwise within 8 days we will have to take action on them.
They later visited the vegetable market. Vegetable vendors, despite of having their own shops, had encroached upon some shops which were lying vacant. They had stored their goods and vegetables in the shops. Municipality has given a deadline of 8 days to the vendors to clear the shops.
म्हाका दिसता हे सामान दवरिल्लें पूण बरें आसलें हे राती कडेन अशें चलता हांगा रॅकेट म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता केन्ना एक आत्महत्या जावन कोणाची भितर मरण सापडन जाल्यार पुरो जाता अशें पूण ही लोक मारल्या ती बरोबर पूण ती लोक म्हाका दिसना ती लोक उरतशी कित्याक रातीचे अशें एक हांगसर लागीं बार्र आसात ह्या बार्रांनी सगळे रातीचे कोण कोण पिवन येतात आनी मेळ ती धका मस्ती करतात आनी मेळ तें करतात आनी केन्ना पूण एक मर्डर जावपाची एक संभव आसा हांगा.
A reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent Media.
The Hospicio hospital in Margaon has been haunting people with its poor facilities. People are complaining of several problems faced by the patients and the visitors. The main problem faced by the people are non-operational lifts, plastic bottles and medical waste dumped at the pediatric ward. There is no waiting or resting room. People have urged the government to immediately look into the grievances faced by the patients and their relatives.
This is how relatives of the patients face hardships at Hospicio. They have to either sit on rickety chairs in the hospital or just lie down on the floor. Not just that, due to unavailability of a waiting room, people have to sleep on the floor, in the corridor, on cardboards and bed sheets.
Only one person
They have asked the government to provide a restroom or a waiting room. There is another problem faced by the visitors and relatives of the patients in the hospicio, the lift problem. Moreover, the patients have to walk down the stairs from the floor themselves. People inform that they are facing problems every second day in hospicio.
आतांचे प्रॉब्लेम एक दीस चल्ला 2 दीस चल्ला हे आमी ऑलरेडी एक वॉरस पय जाले इवन रिटर्न कंप्लेन दिल्ली आज पर्यंत तेजें एक परमनंट सोल्युशन ना मातशें रिपेर करता बंद पडटा सी ही लिफ्ट कोण पडटा ही कोणाकूय घरा लिफ्ट न्हू ही हॉस्पिटलान लिफ्ट आनी तुका त्या पेशंटाक लिफ्ट कोण हाडपा जायना सकयल वयर हाडपाक आनी हेंगे ती स्टेअरकेस तितली ब्रॉड ना लोकांक वयर हाडपाक पेशंटाक आतां ऑपरेशन करून लोकांक कितून वयर हाडपाचें ताका लागून एक परमनंट सोल्युशन काडपाक.
Look at the plastic waste dumped near the pediatric ward in hospicio. People are worried as the small children can easily access the waste dumped.
I noticed the state of this area here, which is a pediatric department. There are small children who are roaming, who are not in the custody of their parents. They are running here and there. They've got access to all these dangerous bottles which are here. They can either take them or misuse them. They can do anything, and it's very dangerous for their life.
A former councillor of Margaon municipality has threatened of an agitation if the hospital is not attended to immediately. He also mentioned that people from different places in south come to the hospital only to find disappointment.
आमी एक 15 दिसांच्यान धरना धरपाचे हॉस्पिसियो ऑपोजिट कार्यक्रम करतलो कित्याक हेजेर उपाय करपाक की जो मिनिस्टर नॉर्थ गोयचो आहा म्हणून साउथ गोवाक जे एक 3-4 म्हयन्याचे neglected जाला हॉस्पिसियो ते जावपा जायना.
We tried to contact the nodal officer of grievance cell, Dr. Nachnorkar, but he was unavailable for comments. Reporters Savio Dias and Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
An Institute of Hotel Management distributed prizes of Kaun Banega Rashtrapati contest on Saturday. The contest was open for people between the age group of 18 to 65 years. Harbhajan Singh won the first prize of 20,000 rupees. Dr. Harishchandra Nagwekar was the chief guest of the function, while DYSP Nandakishore Raikar was the guest of honor.
An Institute of Hotel Management distributed prizes of Kaun Banega Rashtrapati contest on Saturday. Participants had to predict the 13th president of the country. The contest was open for the people between the age group of 18 to 65 years. Harbhajan Singh bagged the first prize of 20,000 rupees. Sonal Redkar won the second prize of 10,000 rupees, while Kenlo Gaonkar bagged the third prize of 5,000 rupees. Chairman of An Institute of Hotel Management says that every year they organize such contests to search new talent in the state.
Every year we have something or the other to organize. This is basically to search the talent among the Goans. Many people have a lot of free time, but they don't use it constructively.
A video journalist from Panji, Dinesh Karpe.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.